Assalamu alaikum. I am Mariam Ali and today I am going to explain the basic steps of PCB layout on this software. This software is Proteus software. So let's get into it. First of all, to perform a circuit or to design a circuit on it, select the new project. Name this new project like I name it as project. And if you want to save it in a specific folder, just select the browse here and select the icon and select folder and save it. Next, doing the next, here is the schematic form of the selected template of the schematic circuit, and for the normal circuit we can choose the landscape A4, and furthermore we have last circuit, we have A1, A0, A4. Here I selected and going next. Furthermore, as I want to design a PCB layout in this, we selected a create a PCB layout for the selected template, and I selected a generic single layer. We can also use the further template according to our circuit requirement. Just next and finish it. This is the schematic capture and this is the PCB layout of it. So for placing a component in it, just select the P here as shown here and select any component, like I want a 7400 logic gate, so I selected it. Furthermore, if you want to choose it more, just select it and hit it. If you want to place a component, just select on the component and place it. We can place two components by selecting it again and again. So this is how we can place component. Furthermore, we just select the pins of this and we wire it. We can also drag it if we want, and furthermore there are many options in this. Furthermore, here is the graphic test mode. If we want to place or name any circuit, like I want to name it DLD, like just click it and OK and place here F. Furthermore, to design a PCB layout, I form a circuit here. So let's get into the circuit. Here it is a schematic circuit of that. It is the logic gates basic operation, which I explained in detail in my previous video. Let's get into this PCB layout. Firstly, for designing a PCB layout, just select this 2D graphic box mode and form a box here. After forming this box, the bottom of here, select the border edge to it. Also we can select the border edge and let's select the border edge, or we can change its layer here by just doing this. So it's cash yellow, as you can see that. Furthermore, we want to, there are two type of options here. We can place the component itself, we can do the wiring here itself like this, but to make our circuit properly and to save our time, there are auto things in this software like the auto placer. Let's just select the auto placer and we have to check on it that all the L components are ticked. So just select OK and wait here. This software just runs so fastly and do this. Furthermore, we can do the auto router here. So the components plays itself adds to the auto router, we can route it. After this begin routing, we get a it takes some time, so I just made a circuit in that case, so our time is saved. So this is the circuit after auto routing, and I place the component here itself so it is designed clearly and properly. So here you can see that there are two type of wires. This is blue and this is red. The blue here represent the bottom copper and red here represent the top copper. So the bottom copper here, it indicates that when we form a circuit on the hardware, it is the wires or which are on the PCB, but these red wires we have to place them ourselves by attaching the jumping wires. We can say that too. So this is how simply a circuit can form. Furthermore, if you want to apply a power plant generator on it, just select it and OK it like this. You can do that also if you want to. So I don't want it, so I just nullify it. Furthermore, if we want to name our circuit or anything, like I here place my name here, so like this. Furthermore, now as for the hardware, we have to print this circuit on a glossy sheet. So here by selecting the output here, then go into the export graphic and select here the Adobe PDF file or whatever kind of file do you want, your wish. So here select all, and here just uncheck the top copper, top silk. Here top copper is this red wire and the top silk this component lines. If we select the component line, then our circuit is shorted from many sides, so we don't want it, so just OK it. So this is how simply a PCB layout can design. Hope so you can understand it properly, and thank you for listening it. Allah Hafiz.